everyone, we're the BariGirls, brought to you by Hen House Markets.
And we've made it our life's goal to show you how to eat healthy and make it count.
Welcome to the BariGirls Kitchen. I'm Kylie.
And I'm Linda, and today we're making it count by cooking up some delicious sweet potato pancakes.
Just in time for the start of the fall. Did you know sweet potatoes are a sweet, starchy root vegetable that are grown worldwide? They come in a variety of sizes and colors, including orange, white, and purple, and are rich in vitamins A, C, B6, copper, niacin, potassium, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber.
Not to mention, they provide several health benefits that are easy to add to your diet. In addition, sweet potatoes, especially the orange and purple varieties, are rich in antioxidants that protect your body from free radicals. It's very beneficial for your health.
Yes, it is. So what we'll do here, Mom, is we'll go ahead and combine them in our food processor. I'm going to cut down the middle, and then you can scoop or pinch into the food processor or a blender, okay? And then from there, we're going to go ahead and crack our eggs into this. We're going to use 2 eggs. We're going to add in some salt and ground cinnamon.
Excellent.
Now you can use a pinch or you can use just a little bit of spoon, depending on how you feel. From there, we're going to go ahead and put the lid on top and blend until smooth.
Now we have our 8 to 10 inch skillet, and we've drizzled a little bit of oil in it so it can be non-stick.
Correct.
And we'll take a 1/4 cup serving size of the batter.
Yes.
And
Look how yummy it looks.
And we will cook it for 3 minutes on each side. And it's not going to bubble like your typical pancake batter, so that's why you really have to watch it.
Now, while the sweet potato pancakes are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and get started on these yummy scrambled eggs. Now, depending on your serving size, you want to do about 2 to 3.
Okay.
So we're going to combine a little bit of oil, and then we're also going to add in our spinach and onions. 2 cups of spinach a day keeps the eye doctor away.
Oh, I love that.
Add a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, and then some wonderful pepper.
And there you have it, delicious, nutritious sweet potato pancakes with scrambled eggs. Serve them up hot with sugar-free syrup or pure maple syrup.
Don't forget to leave a like and follow Hen House on Facebook and YouTube for more delicious and nutritious recipes from the BariGirls. When you try these at home, leave us a comment and let us know how you make it count. The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House Marketing.
BariGirls out.